1, 2, 3. Yeah, they feel like it.
We are all looking for adventure. We are all looking for adventure.
So
Lions.
we are inside the
Lions.
park.
Here, lions. We can find lions.
Lion? No, we're inside the park. It's 50 beer for non-residents, so we paid 100 beer, which is like
Yeah, color.
I'll write it down below. Then they give you food to feed the monkeys and the marabou stock.
Yes.
So this is an acacia tree, and they name all the trees in the park and around Awassa just for people to know their facts.
Uncle.
Uncle, uncle,
Uncle.
uncle. It's huge.
Very.
It's so pretty. Hi. Ah. Wow.
Black and white colobus. So in Zanzibar, they had the red colobus.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So here there are white
This
and
is
black
also good.
colubuses.
His friend. What color? Oh. Stretchy.
Uncle.
Gureza.
Huh?
Gureza.
Greza.
Greza.
Gureza.
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 Huh? Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
No, no.
Don't scream. Don't scream. Okay. Okay. Like atakula. Like atakula na mdomo. Like that. It's nothing. Very gentle. No, it's okay. Very gentle. Believe me. Like it's very gentle. Just kneel. Kneel. You can do
Will
it.
it scratch
No,
me?
no. It's very gentle.
Yes.
Very gentle. Very.
Yes, no.
So Linda, what are you doing?
Feeding the monkey.
Wonderful.
Its claws are not even.
No, it's very gentle. Yeah, yeah. It knows how to handle people.
So we are going to feed the marabou stocks. Hi, little monkey. Huh?
Yeah.
Together.
No problem. Yeah.
So we are done with the tour. We've seen the colobus monkeys,
The marabou stork, the hornbills, other birds, like the other monkeys. We don't know the names, but we'll research and let you know. Yeah.
Yeah.
We fed the animals. They're so gentle on your hand. Yeah.
except the baby colobus. It was just like
It was eating with its
it was
mouth.
eating my hand with its mouth. So we've come here to just chill. The view is so pretty. and serene.
Yeah. Can you switch and show people the sun? This is it for the day. Let's wait for a change. So this is how a transaction in Michael translation works.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, okay, so this is what I got. It's the Ethiopian cross. Yeah, looks good.
Yeah, and you got it for 50 birr, which is around how much?
150, like it's around
$1
$1 and $1.50. Yeah, $1.50. Yeah, don't mind about the conversions. We
Yeah.
are doing it in our heads because I don't even need the app. I'm just like on point.
Yeah, the money looks interesting.
Yeah, I like it.
You like
Okay,
it?
yes, yes. So this is it for our day. So Linda, tell people goodbye.
The monkey is pissing.
Oh yeah, and the monkey is pissing just on our vlog. For that we deserve a subscription. The things we go through to get you videos. That one, 10 subscribers. You can go ask anybody to subscribe for that. Okay.
But thank you guys for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it, and make sure to check our other videos here in Ethiopia. We'll show you around the place. It is such a beautiful country with diverse people, and it's beautiful.
So we leave you with the sights and sounds of Lake Awassa. Tell Linda, you have told people where to subscribe.
Yes, subscribe here
Yes, yes, and like and comment.
and hit the notification bell so you can be getting more of our videos.
Okay, so enjoy the lake as we say goodbye. Bye bye. Done.
ፍቅርማ ገር